today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice template in Xero. If you're looking to customize your invoices so they better reflect your brand, or perhaps you just want a fresh look for your billing documents, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and ensure your invoices match your business style effortlessly. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Xero website. Once there, log in with your credentials if you aren't already. Navigating the dashboard can feel extensive with all its features, but don't worry, we're going to focus on a straightforward path today. Once you've landed on your Xero dashboard, you'll want to proceed to the Settings menu. This is the gateway to customizing many aspects of your Xero account, and it's found in the top right corner of the page. It's where you can control a variety of configurations, including your invoice template alterations. Next, you're heading into the invoice settings. This option will take you directly to the place where all the magic of customization happens. It allows you access to various parameters you can adjust to make the invoice uniquely yours. Click on the Invoice settings to continue. Now, look for the Options menu within the Invoice settings. Clicking on it reveals additional functionalities that might not be visible at first glance. This is where you'll find the Edit feature, which is key to modifying the look and feel of your invoices. Once you click on Edit, you are taken to a new page where you can adjust different aspects, fonts, and other stylistic elements of your invoice template. This section gives you the flexibility to play around with different font styles, sizes, and more until it aligns with the desired appearance you have in mind. Adjusting these elements can give your invoices a more professional look or a creative flair, depending on what suits your business personality best. When you're satisfied with the changes, it's crucial to remember to click Save. This action ensures that all your customizations are applied and secure, ready to be used the next time you generate an invoice. Forgetting to do so might leave you having to repeat these steps, so take that final click seriously. And there we have it. Changing your invoice template in Xero can help you maintain consistent branding and attractively present your business to clients. From here, your invoices will not only convey the essentials, but also capture the unique character of your venture. Whether you're updating the layout for aesthetics or reflecting a new brand image, Xero makes it straightforward. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.